guys, my name is Diana. Welcome back to my channel, Hot and Ready, where I share my recipes with you guys every week. So let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you guys how I make my lemon dill salmon dinner. It is so simple and easy. It consists of butter, my butter, lemons, fresh lemons, or you could do a substitute of the cheap lemon juice or whatever it is. I used real lemons, and fresh dill, and your favorite seasonings, garlic or whatever you want to use. So yeah, I will take you with me, and yeah, let's enjoy it together. Okay, so let's get started. So right here, I am cooking the salmon in butter with paprika, garlic powder, and parsley. And I'm just letting each side cook for about 5 minutes each until, browns to your desire. Flip it around, add more parsley, garlic, and paprika. And then more bata, let it cook, medium heat, and then you want to lower it because fish does cook quickly, especially salmon. I'm adding fresh lemon slices for that lemony taste, and then I also squeeze the lemons onto the salmon. And yeah, I'm just letting it cook. Adding fresh green onions, scallions, I believe how you say it. And you just want to let everything cook on low heat. Now I'm adding my favorite, which is fresh dill for that freshness of it. Dill and lemon with butter combination, so beautiful. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all in the oven for about 10 minutes, so it's so the top can be a little bit crispy. I like my salmon crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, So yeah, this is practically done. I served this with rice and veggies, broccoli. So here's this beautiful iron wok with salmon. This is practically done. I did serve it with rice and broccoli. I like my veggies. So yeah. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at those colors. Yeah. Here's the broccoli. I'm just cooking it in butter, and I added a little bit of Worcestershire W sauce. So now I'm adding the W sauce, or sesame oil actually. You cook it, yep, sprinkle more. Now it's the W sauce, Worcestershire sauce. And you just mix it, let it cook until the broccoli's, cooked, and I added sesame seeds, and that's it. I don't like to overcook my broccoli. Yeah, so here is this beautiful plate of my salmon. Look at that broccoli. That salmon was so good. I actually made this for my husband and his coworker, which is pretty cool because his coworker wants me to cook for him. And yeah, 3 times a week I cook for him, for the coworker. So that's exciting. I'm finally cooking for other people besides my husband. But yeah, thank you guys again. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, simple, tasty video. And as I always say, have a blessed evening. Bye bye. See you next time.